Hello Kuwait and Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. Today we are here for our airline ticketing class. So anyone who wants to be a certified travel agent, so this is the course for you, which is 3 months course. So learn airline ticketing course, and here from travel agency operations, travel agency management, hotel and car reservations, advanced airline reservations, world travel geography. So all these things you will learn here in our airline ticketing course. Okay.
The SS command we did?
Yes, SS command.
Right? Okay, so we will be starting with basic PNR retrieval. How we can retrieve the saved PNR from the database or from the system. Okay, so which is very important actually. Okay, don't think like what we discussed. What you can.
So for our airline ticketing course, this is 3 months course duration and once a week class every Monday. So this is a group classes. So from basic to professional level, you will learn here in our airline ticketing in just 3 months. So no educational qualification needed. Anyone who have the desire to be a certified travel agent, then you can enroll in this course. Okay? So para sa lahat ng mga gustong maging certified airline ticketing agent, so kung magtatrabaho sa travel agency, ito yung course na para sa inyo, airline ticketing course. So, dito, matutunan nyo lahat from travel agency operations, travel agency management, hotel and car reservations, advanced airline reservations, world travel geography, at marami pang iba. So, 3 months course duration po siya. Once a week lang yung klase, every Monday. So, of course, meron tayong special discount offer ngayon. Okay? So, yan. Makikinig tayo sa class ng ating instructor. Today, meron silang discussion. So, this is available in online and face-to-face class.
Right? Okay, so P stand for passenger phone number, R stand for received from, means the person who will request you to do the reservation. Okay, then I for itinerary. Okay, the flight which you will book for the passengers, it's called itinerary. Okay, and N for passenger name. Okay, and T for ticketing time limit, for how many days, or for how many days you want to keep that ticket on hold. Okay, that's the ticketing element. Okay, how to add we will discuss. Okay, but these are the 5 mandatory things before proceeding to the PNR. Okay, or before proceeding to the PNR retrieval. Okay, which is very important. You have to keep in mind. This is mandatory. This 5 element. There is a simple way to keep in your mind or to memorize. Is just remember the spelling print. That's it. Okay, the P stand for, you will automatically get to understand. P stand for passenger phone number. Then if you go about R, right, R stand for received from. Then if you go I stand for itinerary, and then N for passenger name, and the last one is T, ticketing time limit.
Can you spell I?
Itinerary. I-T-E-N-E-A-R-Y. Itinerary. Okay. Okay. So we will proceed.